When I say love you, thank you, no, you, nah. But I still want to say, no. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. I gotta go. Thank you so much. Love you.
A picture with actors like this. Look around me, look where we are. We're in front of the theater and maybe Jackie Chan's inside, I don't know. Maybe he's coming later through, you know, a back entrance or whatever. Today is the opening of the Far East Film Festival. It's the biggest Asian film festival in Europe, and so it's held every year in Udine around this time. So Jackie Chan is here today. Today we're watching Dragon Blade. I stood in line to see Dragon Blade, and it is the international premiere of Dragon Blade, so that's why he's coming here. I think he's never been here before. This is his first time. But anyways, I stood in line for an hour and 45 minutes to get tickets, and after me, just like a few minutes after me, it was completely sold out. I stood in the rain outside. It was cold this morning and rainy. So, but I did it because I really like Jackie Chan. I'm a fan and I follow him on Facebook. So I just really hope that I get to take a picture with him or a picture of him if I can, or get him on camera somehow. That would be awesome. Someone else is here today, Lee Kwon. He is a South Korean director. This is the program, the Far East Film Festival. Ta-da! Program. This is it. That is for the press over there. I can't go there. I'm not press. I'm just normal. I think Jackie Chan and Lee Kwon are gonna come somewhere past this red line, and all these people are waiting around. I'm here inside the theater, and I'm hoping that Lee Kwon or Jackie Chan comes. This is the, you know, more VIP area after the red ribbon. I'm not on VIP, so I don't know. But there are press behind this red ribbon. I guess that they're gonna come here for, you know, photo op. Okay, so this is a really small theater. It's not big at all. I don't know I'm not sure what Lee Kwon looks like, but I hope that I get to get someone. I hope that they do pass by here and I get to get a photo with someone, ideal, but of someone. That's still okay. That's still awesome. Who's that? Who's that? I don't know. Do you know who that is? I don't know who that is.
giovanissimo regista che presenterà un eccezionale noir che si chiama Confession, Lee Do Yun. Con noi dopo aver vinto il premio del pubblico 2 anni fa con How to Use Guys with Secret Tips. He was up! Sempre dalla Corea abbiamo anche di Kwon che incontreremo qui subito dopo la fine d'apertura della 17ª edizione del Paris Film Festival, perché presenterà il suo My Ordinary Love Story di Kwon, che incontriamo noi. Torna un carissimo amico che è Chris Martinez, accompagnato dalla bellissima Anne Curtis. Eman Yao e Erika Lee per il film Sarah. Dopo Bodyguard and Assassin, un grandissimo film action, torna con noi Teddy Chan. Il produttore hongkongese Albert Lee, senza di lui non ci sarebbe stato il concerto di Joyce insieme.
In questa occasione, in questo film festival, mi avete dato l'opportunità anche di fare una performance con il concerto di ieri e ho percepito tantissimo calore ed è stata anche un'esperienza molto gradevole e quindi sono davvero felicissimo di essere potuto venire qui.
Grazie mille.
And we have Jackie Chan. Please come.
It really is an honor to be here. I know Udine Film been in Miami for 17 years. From the first year I said I could come, but I just delayed until now. I think it's the before come probably is the wrong timing, but this time is the right timing. Thank you so much. We really honored to be here. Yes, thank you for all those years support action film, Hong Kong film. Please continue to support Hong Kong film, action film, and thank you for all those years support me. Thank you so much.
Thank you all for coming to support the movie. We are so honored for you guys to come here to support the movie tonight. Thank you.
Has everybody seen the movie yet? No. Okay, I won't say too much. And director and me been working on the Dragon Blade for 7 years. And almost every other 3 months we discuss how to make the film, how to invite a Hollywood star to Asia to make the film. And the most important, the film, I won't say too much. I hope after you see the film, you know what's the message. And 6 months post-production.
More than 6 months, actually.
Yeah,
it's
okay. And 6 months filming, and in the desert, we really in the desert, because it's a Roman film. We don't have so many Caucasian face, so we have to surround around China, every international school, all the foreigner students. And to invite them, make a film, what film? Check the film. Oh, yes, check it. And that's the first step. Then we invite about 400 to the desert, Gobi Desert. 2 o'clock, get up. 2 hours drive to the desert. 200 horses, 1,000 extra, and breakfast, armor, because we have to have a big wide shot. We cannot have a car to drive the desert. Everybody either with horses, either walking to the desert. And I have to train all the students how to, step by step, boom, and turn around. 1, 2, boom. By the time I finish training, 11 o'clock. From 2 o'clock, get up to the set. To the first shot, 11 o'clock. First shot finished, 1:30. And lunch. When I said lunch, when they come back for the second shot, I'm ready 3:30. And we glad in desert, 9 o'clock, we still have a sun. And the first day, 2,000 boxes water, 5 days gone. Second day, the students, I see the students, good morning students, we want to go home. You just don't believe how difficult to film in desert, because I just tell the director, why in desert? Now we can use a blue screen, green screen, like Hollywood. You don't have to be there. You can, here, you just put green screen. We just looks like a desert. But the director said, no. Why?
If you guys see the movie, enjoy the movie at the same time, enjoy the scenery there, because it's the beginning of the Silk Road. Actually, it's the next space of the Silk Road. And 2/3 of the movie actually shoot in the Gobi Desert in China. And if you guys found all the aerial shot beautiful, all the shot actually shot by us. Never by the shot from image rank or something. So it's very different when you shoot in the actual place in the Gobi Desert. Like Jackie, of course, he defined very negative about to go to that place to shoot. And like Adrian and John Cusack, they all said that it's seldomly for a Western production to go actually to the place to shoot. It's longer, it's tougher, but it's worth it.
every day. I just want you know how difficult we behind the scene. When the sandstorm coming, we cannot eat. When you eat, all the sand, just ziggy. And when the sandstorm coming, everybody hiding, except one people. Put the director chair in front of the sandstorm. Put the music. That's him. They put I just hide it. Oh, the crazy director. Then I just asked why we have to film here. And then I hear the producer, yeah, that's good. Director like it. In this area, only 2 directors filming in this area. I said, who? First, Daniel Lee. Second one, Daniel Lee. The only 2 directors is him. But now I tell you all the things. I hope you enjoy the film. I see you later on the movie. Thank you so much. The film with my life again, because you support me, I make good film for you. Thank you so much.
I'm speechless here, honestly. I don't know what to say. It's such an honor for our movie to be shown in this festival, and I can tell you guys like it. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. So it deserves, all the effort that we've been spending for the last 10 years. Thank you all. Thank you for the festival. Grazie.
Even though the film is no good, you have to appreciate what we're working for 8 years.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course. We really love it, and we are honored to have you both here for this film festival and for the opening night. And we have a special guest. We have a special gift for you because we have a prize, a Living Legend Golden Mulberry Award for Jackie Chan tonight.
That's the prize. That is the prize. Thank you. I think you've been keeping for 17 years before you give to me, not worth. Today, yes, because I'm always enough to get this award. Love you all. Thank you so much. Another project, probably
2 years later.
2 years. Okay, 2 years later, we hope we can bring another new Jackie Chan look for you. When I say love you, thank you, not enough, but I still want to say, love you.
Look who I caught signing autographs. I mean, I don't have like anything for him to sign though. Harumi is there. There's Ann Curtis. Seriously, right in front of me. A lot of people. Everyone wants to take a picture with her. Oh my god.